Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel latte with coffee machine full guide. Start by measuring 18 grams of medium roast beans, grind to espresso fine, and tamp evenly. Pull a 25 to 30 second shot of 30 to 40 ml espresso. While brewing, warm 200 ml whole milk and create a velvety microfoam using the steam wand. Measure precisely to get consistent shots and sweetness balance when making a caramel latte. Dial in 18 grams for a single and 36 grams for a double, aiming for a 25 to 30 second extraction. Add 15 to 20 ml of caramel syrup to the cup before pouring espresso, then stir gently to incorporate. Taste and tweak syrup volume to suit your preference without overpowering the espresso. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, perfect for setting a cozy soundtrack while you brew. I love using it to time shots and play mellow music during milk steaming. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For silky texture, start with cold whole milk and a chilled pitcher to control steaming. Submerge the steam wand tip near the surface briefly to introduce air, then lower to heat and create microfoam around 55 to 60 degrees C. Aim for glossy, paint-like milk with tiny bubbles. After steaming, tap the pitcher on the counter and swirl to remove large bubbles and integrate foam, preparing for smooth latte art or a simple pour.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.